Hey, do you have trouble keeping your miter saw, table saw, or compressor from rattling around when you're driving in your work vehicle? Well, I got a neat trick to keep them secured without sacrificing accessibility. So let's check that out. All right guys, so this is what we're building. We have two 1/4-inch T-nuts and a 1/4-inch bolt that's about 2 inches long. This stop block here, depending on the tool that you're mounting, you may want to get a longer bolt. That's about it. So let's get started. Now, if this is the front of your upright, we want to mount the T-nut on the back. Take a 5/16 inch drill bit, drill the hole to make room for the shaft of the T-nut. Same thing, we're going to drill a 5/16 hole on the stop block. Now just insert the bolt. And there you have it. Hey, if you found that video helpful, give it a like. I'm planning to make future videos on modifications to the van to make it more efficient to work out of. So if that type of content interests you, consider subscribing. But other than that, thanks for watching and have a great day.